This is how to change the key battery on your Mercedes. This is a 2-button, but the 3 and 4 button keys are all pretty much the same. So you will need a CR2025 battery, that one there, and hopefully no tools. So, little slidey bit there. I'm going to slide that up, which releases the physical key. So if this is absolutely flat as a pancake, this will get you in with the lock. From there, we're going to slide this in to that bit, roughly about there, and then you're going to make an action. So you're going down and up. So I'm going to go down because there's a little tab on the plastic, and up. You see, it's just opened it. You lift it up and there's the tab, and that is what you're trying to push in and lift up. There's a tab on this end as well, which hooks in at the end to click it in. Exposing the battery. Pop the battery out. Get your new one. Pop that in. There's a seal on there that pushes the battery into place. And like I say, the 2 tabs, locate them in there and literally click. That's the tab back in place. Slide the key back in and you're done. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.